Hello everyone, today I will introduce how to create NAS synchronization rules to synchronize shared folders from multiple NAS devices to the target big NAS. First, we need to prepare intermediate nodes in advance and mount the shared folders to this node. Here I have already mounted the source NAS and the target NAS separately beforehand. Then we can register the nodes on our i2NAS web console. And before we creating the NAS synchronization rule, we need to ensure that the SFS driver is installed on the target nodes. After that, we are able to create the NAS synchronization rules. We can redirect it to DR and the migration by replication synchronize web page and click the new button to create the NAS synchronization rules. In this scenario, we need to create three synchronization rules to synchronize the multiple NAS share folders. For the production node, we can select the source NAS node, and then we select the path for synchronization. Regarding the backup node, we need to select the target node, which is mounted the target big NAS share folder. Okay, we can submit the first job and create the next one. After creating these three synchronization jobs, we need to start them manually by clicking the Start operation. And the status of the job will become wrong. Okay. We can try to create test files separately in the share folders of NAS A, B, and C, and observe whether the files are synchronized. Here we can access to the NAS A path first. And we can create a text file, a text file, for example. And then we can access to the NAS B to create the B text file. And the last and we can access to the target big NAS folder. As we can see, all the newly created files are synchronized successfully. Subsequently, we can modify one of the files and check if the modified content can be synchronized as well. For example, I modify the C text file. Insert. Save the changes. Okay. In the target big NAS, we can confirm that not only the newly added content is synchronized, but also the modified content. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.